day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here the Galaxy Fit3. After a long wait, we have now the next generation of fitness tracker from Samsung. And this one, the Galaxy Fit3, comes into three colors: black, silver, and this one, the pink gold color. So we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. We are going to check the design as well as the specs of this smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and have the unboxing of the Galaxy Fit3. But before that, let's check first the packaging here. So we do have a very simple packaging, Galaxy Fit3. Okay, here on the bottom part we have the details. So pink, gold, we have the model SM390. At the back, so we have here, so Samsung account is required to activate this device. So we'll be needing Galaxy Wearable and Samsung Health. Okay, it is compatible with Android 10.0 or higher and 1.5 GB of memory. Okay, nothing else. So let's check. Okay, we are going to open it on the bottom part. Okay, as you can see here, it's very tightly sealed. You have the sticker here, do not accept if seal is broken. Okay, so let's open it here on the bottom part. Okay, let's remove the sticker here. Hopefully we still have a battery left on for the smartwatch, so we can check the UI of the wearable. Okay, so let's remove the contents of the box. Okay, again, this is the Galaxy Fit3. So we have here the wearable. Okay, so there's an arrow here. Okay, so let's remove it. So the contents are, so we have the charging cable. Okay, so we have here magnetic charging cable. We have the device here. Yes, it's a bit heavy. Seems like we do have a good quality device here. And the user manual. So this is your Galaxy Fit3 package contents. So we have, okay, the contents of the box of the Galaxy Fit3. We have the charging cable, our smart band here or fitness tracker, and our user manual. Okay, so before we proceed with this one, let's check first the user manual. So we have here, very simple, so available in several languages. You have the charging cable here, and of course our device. Okay, for the design, so the body frame is metal. Okay, so we have a very slim black border, as you can see here, and we have a flexible silicone strap. Okay, let me remove it. So this is the back of, we have a PC material, we have the sensor here. So the strap is removable, but it is a proprietary strap, I think. So if you want a replacement, you have to buy it online, okay, or from Samsung itself. Okay, then okay, so that's it. We have a single physical button here, and this one, it is a pink gold in brush finish, so it's a bit heavy. So let's check on the weight of our Samsung Fit3. Okay, 0, as you can see here, we have 39 grams. Okay, so let's check. Let's have a closer look at the design here. So far, it looks good. Okay, simple, but okay, looks good. It feels solid. The thickness is just okay. We have a metal button also here. Flexible silicone strap. So this one, it is not a steel buckle but a plastic. So the strap is very soft and seems like it's comfortable to wear, I think. Okay, although it is a bit heavy compared to the likes of our Xiaomi Mi Band 8 Pro. Okay, so how do we wear this one? Okay, let me try. Okay, then okay, I don't like the style of attachment here. By the way, it's okay. Okay, it's nice. It's comfortable to wear and it feels solid. Okay, so this is your Galaxy Fit 3. For the specs of the wearable, so we do have an AMOLED screen display and with a very slim black border here. I'm going to put the specs for the Galaxy Fit 3 here. So we have the details here for the specifications. Okay, so let's check on the screen. Let's see if there's still some battery left. Turning it on. Samsung. So welcome. So we have here the Galaxy Fit 3 6B97. Get started in the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. So welcome. Let's see if we can skip this one. If not, we'll try to pair it, okay, with our smartphone. Okay, so it is available in several languages here. Let's scroll first. We have the English here. Okay, so it is available in different languages. Okay, so we have a very good list here so far. Okay, so we set up the fitness tracker, and here are the details. We have a tour here, so let's check. Okay, start. Swipe down from top to open the quick panel. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. Finding your apps. Okay, then next. And okay, and swipe right, and next, then next one, press home key to go to the watch face. Okay, enjoy your band. Okay, so that's it for our quick tour of the UI of the Galaxy Fit3. On our next video, we are going to have a full review of the menus and features available in the Galaxy Fit3 device. So if you have any questions regarding the video or the Galaxy Fit3, just drop a comment below. Bye!